Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. I saw these at the store. It's series 2. I don't think I was aware that there was a series 2. So this is a very random video. I can make my own little books that are not necessary for me to be able to open. So I typically don't spend money on this. So this is basically an impulse buy that I really didn't need, but I kind of do want the little lamp that you can find in, I guess, one of these. So yeah, let's open her up and see what we got. Now for the satisfying pop. Yay! I really like the color blue that they incorporated in that. Let's look at our pamphlet to see what else we can get. See, I want the lamp. I really do. And the cat looks cool too. The candle, wow, okay. Ooh, the teacup, okay, yeah. They have Pride and Prejudice. Look, Pride and Prejudice. No, I want that. Oh my goodness. I'm not such a fan of the kids books, but Jane Eyre I want. Sense and Sensibility, Emma, I want the classics. I really love those types of books. I'm not too fond about the bookmarks. And these are rare. Shoot. Rare means they're harder to find. You gotta buy more to get it. Wow, okay. Oh, these are ultra rare. Can you even see them? I'm sorry. The Never by Colleen Hoover. I still get to read one of her books. I hear they're problematic. Okay. So the kids' books are common pretty much. Anyway, let's get to opening them up. Does this even feel like a book? Yeah, it's a book. I kind of see. Okay. Be very careful. I should have torn that open and not cut it. Okay, what do we have? Okay, we have The Second Summer of the Sisterhood. So, oops. Real pages. So this will be good for my younger characters. I'm glad I have Barbie's Book Club. Because then, like, so the story behind Barbie's Book Club is they either work in a library or in a bookstore. Haven't decided yet. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. That looks so interesting. I like it. Okay. This seems like a furniture, so that's the bookcase. Yeah, I'm gonna open that later. Okay, let's see. You only get 3 books? My goodness. Wow, okay. I'm not happy about that. And then you don't get... Okay, I thought the bookcase was like customary. I got Jane Eyre. I got Jane Eyre. If y'all don't know, like, Jane Eyre is like my favorite. And then North and South and Pride and Prejudice. It's probably tied. Which one do I like the best? I feel like I like Jane Eyre the best. My goodness. Because it is the best. But then Pride and Prejudice is a close second. But then North and South. The one, the British one, y'all. Not the military one. There's 2 North and Souths. But North and South, the British one, by Miss Glasgow or whatever, that's like a very close third. Like, all these are so close. But yeah, I'm so excited. They could have done better with the cover, honestly. Because that just looks like the silhouette of like somebody with a messy bun. It literally does. So they could have done better with the cover. Maybe I can give it a new cover. Yum. Okay, let's open the bookshelf. I didn't get any of the neat little trinkets. I didn't get the kitty cat. I didn't get all these pieces. I didn't get the lamp. Let me put this together. So there are the books in the shelves. Am I liking the color of the shelf? Because it used to be white. I will say yes, I am. I like it. I feel like it's going to look like a wood grain or wood tone in a bedroom or something like that, which is a nice touch. I thought you got more than 3 books on the last one, but I'm not quite certain about that. Kind of bummed I didn't get any of the trinkets, because I feel like like I said, I can make my own little books and it's not necessary that they can open. I feel like I make better books and then I can make the exact books that I want for a fraction of the cost. But by all means, if you can't make books by yourself, this is a great buy. However, I think I have sated my curiosity when it comes to these, and so I'm just gonna stick to making my own books. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.